Today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome keeps crashing/freezing, Windows 11. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see 3 vertical dots. After you click the menu, a drop-down list will appear. Look for Delete Browsing Data, or it may say Clear Browsing Data. Chrome will now open a browsing data window. Click the drop-down menu and set the time range to All Time. Choosing All Time makes sure Chrome removes saved data from the entire period. Now make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Cookies are small files that websites store in your browser. Next, make sure cached images and files is also checked. This is one of the most important options for fixing slow loading. Before continuing, remember that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites. Once cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both selected, look for the button that says Delete Data. After the process finishes, the browsing data window should close, or Chrome will return you to the previous screen. That covers everything you need to know.